Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to set up XIAOMI Smart Camera C302 with XIAOMI Home App. So first, on your phone, open the QR code scanner and from the instructions scan the QR code. So right here, translate. And we are on the Google Play Store. Continue to Google Play Store and install the XIAOMI Home App. At the same time, your camera, plug it in and now wait till the camera ends up the configuration and the app will be downloaded. Okay. So now open the XIAOMI Home App. Agree. Select the region. And now sign in to the XIAOMI account. After you have signed in, here we have the account authentication, so send verification code to email. We need to confirm that it is us. And now we're on the XIAOMI's home new fresh look. Okay. Allow the localization when you're using the app. Send notifications. Okay. And now we can go to the XIAOMI Home. Right here we have a plus, add device, allow for the scanning, turn on the Bluetooth. XIAOMI wants to turn on the Bluetooth. Okay. And now we can scan to add or just select a device. Now select a Wi-Fi network that you are connected to. Enter the password. Okay, agree. Now allow for taking a picture while using the app. Please scan QR code on the device. So we need to find it. It's right here. Okay.
Network information obtained successfully. 网络信息获取成功。
So now we're waiting for it to connect. Now after the connection, set a room that the camera will be in. So for example, living room. Now you can set the name for the camera. I'll stick with the original one. We have the additional setting, display large cards on the home page. You can enable, disable to your liking. Please select the permission for family members. You have the members, the smart device in your home can be used, or administrator able to pair with and delete devices and add, remove members. I won't be adding anyone. So invite your family members, do not share. Do not prompt you to share the home in the device adding process. You can go to the home page. Okay, don't prompt. XIAOMI Smart Camera, I have read the agreement. And right here you can see me through the camera. Now you can allow the access to the music and okay, allow limited access. And that's pretty much it. You are now connected. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.